be real with you. I didn't know what I wanted in the beginning, but I knew there was 3 things that I didn't want for my life. Number 1 was I didn't want to go to jail because I had plenty of my homeboys who went to jail, and I had plenty of my homeboys whose father was in jail that wasn't in their lives. I knew for number 2, I didn't want to be an addict. I had family members that were addicted to drugs. I had family members that struggled with drugs. Some died from drugs. Number 3, I didn't want to be dead. And I had, 2010 was one of the worst years of my life. It was 2 years after I graduated high school, and I had 4 of my homeboys die in 1 year. 4 of them died in 1 year. One of them was murdered in May of 2010, and in November, the first one, he died kind of a natural cause. He got sick. He had a type of cancer that spread throughout his body. And the last 2, that died in car accidents. They both were in 11th grade, 3 o'clock in the morning. They were speeding, and they crashed the car. Now, some people say they were under the influence, but I'm not sure. I can't say because I wasn't in the car with them. But that was one of the things that it taught me, that I knew that it's certain things that I didn't want for my life. And one of the scariest moments was when I was going through their funerals. It happened to me twice. As I was sitting there in the funeral, I looked at the obituary. And as I'm looking at the obituary, I saw my face in the obituary. I did not see that face. Scariest thing I ever saw in my life. It happened to me at 2 different funerals. And I'm thinking to myself, God, what are you trying to show me? And what he was trying to show me was, there has to be a separation, Mike. The people that you're rocking with, they all rolling up blunts every single day. They smoking every single day. They're hitting licks. This was my surrounding. My boys was hitting licks. And I'm like, no, I'm good, because I knew I didn't want to be locked up. I didn't tell them that I didn't want to smoke because I'm not trying to say I'm better than you. It was just, I knew that there were certain people in my family that were addicted, and I'm no different than them. What's to stop me from hitting this and being addicted? The people that we see that's homeless, that look strung out, it all happened with a choice that they made in the beginning. It just didn't happen on accident. It's because they had a decision they had to make.